Welcome to the ViewZone store. This is our brand new security mount camera bracket, which is made of rust-proof aluminum. It's easy to use, so I'll take a look at it. First, make 3 holes in the wall or ceiling. Put the anti-slip plug into the wall to avoid screw slip. I now operate on our shop's camera and junction box for everyone to see. Then twist counterclockwise from the wings of the camera bracket to adjust the angle, and the camera bracket's head can be tilted 90 degrees and rotated 360 degrees, making it a great product. Adjust the angle you want and twist it clockwise. You can fix the angle you want. Then install your own camera. Here you should pay attention. Tighten the wings of the camera bracket and then install the camera. Otherwise the camera will not be tightened. And then adjust the camera angle to comple. Our security wall mount is compatible with Arlo Pro, Arlo Pro 2, Arlo Pro 3, Arlo Pro 4, Arlo Ultra, Arlo Ultra 2, Arlo HD, Arlo Go and Arlo Light, and is suitable for ring stick cam battery, suitable for UV camera E/2C, suitable for wise outdoor camera and flat camera, etc.